Hi guys, I am Jazzy. In this video, we'll talking about 10 largest stock exchange in the world by market cap, complete list of stock exchange. So, list of largest stock exchange in the world. People who invest in the stock must be familiar with the New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, and Shanghai Stock Exchange as same some of the most popular exchange in the world. But there are a few large stock exchange with which we may not be familiar. So in this post, we are going to discuss the biggest and largest stock exchange in the world by the total market cap of all listed companies. Before we start this post, let us briefly a bit about what the stock exchange is. Did you know? North Korea expected Afghanistan and Cuba are part of the few countries that do not have a stock market. So, first of all, we need to understand what is a stock exchange. A stock exchange is an organization that anchors formulated market for dealing in securities, derivatives, commodities, and other financial equipment. It is one of the powerful ingredients of the financial market here. Buyers and sellers club together to carry out transactions and securities are bought and sold out according to clear-cut rules and regulations. Stock exchange furnishes the required edific and framework to the broker and members who deal with asset classes. It also governs the transaction activities to clarify free and fair trade. The most engaging aspect is that stock exchange are also deemed as financial measure of an economy where industrial development and firmness and mirrored in the index. Let us now take a look at the largest stock exchange in the world. So first of all, 10 largest stock exchange in the world by market cap. Here is a list of the biggest stock exchange in the world based on the market capitalization as of December of 2022. So first of all, we have New York Stock Exchange, US, 22. Its annually revenue is 22.77 trillion dollar. The New York Stock Exchange is the first of the on the list of the largest stock exchange in the world and is a highly esteemed stock exchange in the USA, which is situated at 11 Wall Street, New York City. It was established on May 17, 1792 and consists of 2,400 listed companies. It is the world's largest stock exchange and has a market capitalization of USA 22.77 trillion dollars on as of December of 2022. Back to the back mergers has added the New York Stock Exchange to gain its colossal size and global footprint. The blue chip companies which are listed under the New York Stock Exchange are Berkshire Hathaway, Inc., Coca-Cola, Walt Disney Company, McDonald's Corporation, etc. So second one is Nasdaq, United States. Its annually revenue $16.24 trillion. Second on the list of the largest stock exchange in the world, Nasdaq, which was primarily an abbreviation and stage for the National Association of Security Dealers Automated Quotations. It is an American stock exchange and headquartered at 150 1W42 and Street, New York City. The Nasdaq commenced its business on February 8, 1971 and is cited as the world's first electronically traded stock market. Nasdaq has a combined market capitalization of USA 16.24 trillion as of December of 2022 and it's ranked second in the list of largest stock exchange. It consists of the more than 3,000 stock listed under it and comprises the world homogeneous tech giants such as Apple, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Amazon, Tesla, and Intel. So third one is Shanghai Stock Exchange. It's located in China. Its revenue is 16.74 trillion dollar. The Shanghai Stock Exchange is located in the city of Shanghai, China, and is one of the two stock exchange playing autonomously in the People Republic of China. Although its foundation traces back to 1866, it was adjourned after the Chinese Revolution in 1949. However, the Shanghai Exchange in its contemporary outlook was laid down in 1990. Currently, Shanghai SSE is the world's third largest stock exchange with a combined market capitalization of USA 16 6.70 trillion dollar as of December of 2022. The most interesting fact is that the absolute market cap of the SSE is a constructed out of formerly state-run insurance companies and commercial banks. So fourth one is Euronest. It's located in Europe, and its annually revenue is $6.06 trillion. The word Euronest is an acronym for European New Exchange Technology, and as its corporate address at La Défense in Greater Paris, Euronest was established in 2000 by the consolidations of the exchange in the Amsterdam, Paris, and Brussels. Over the years, it's amalgamated multiple exchanges, most particularly the New York Stock Exchange. Its chief financial market in Amsterdam, London, Brussels, Lisbon, Solo, Dublin, and Paris. It has around 50 listed companies, leading to a market capitalization worth USA 60 6.06 trillion as of December of 2022. Euronext provided the segments which are equities, warrants, exchange-traded bonds, accommodation funds and certificates, derivatives, indices, and foreign exchange trading platforms. So, guys, enough for today. We will meet to another video. Now, I am signing out.